Okay, question 4 is a two-part question. It has part A, part B. Part A involves the area model. So Mia has 2.5 packages of pretzels. Each full package weighs 5 and 39 hundredths ounces. Mia wants to know how much or how many ounces of pretzels she has. So circle the number. The question is how many ounces. We could take 5 and 39 hundredths and we could add that 5 times, or you can multiply that by 2 and 5 tenths. We're multiplying decimals this week, so I would hope that you guys did the multiplication of this. Now, it says part A, Mia draws the area model to find the partial products. So complete the model by filling in the blanks. Notice at the top of our area model, they expanded 5 and 39 hundredths, because if I take 5 ones, add 3 tenths and 9 hundredths, I'm going to get 5 and 39 hundredths. On the left-hand side, they expanded 2 and 5 tenths. 2 plus 5 tenths gives me 2 and 5 tenths. Now, with an area model, you know your formula is area equals length times width. So this is considered your length, this is considered your width. 2 times 5 is 10. Over here would be 2 times 3 tenths and 2 times 9 hundredths. 2 times 3 is 6. I have a tenth, so there's my tenths. 2 times 9 is 18. I have a hundredth, so there's my hundredths, or I have 2 digits behind the decimal. 1, 2. Here I have 5 tenths multiplied by 5. 5 times 5 is 25. However, I'm in the tenths, so my product must be in the tenths, or I have 1 digit behind the decimal. Here I have 5 tenths times 3 tenths. 5 times 3 is 15. A tenth times a tenth is a hundredths, or I have 2 digits behind the decimal. Here I have 5 tenths times 9 hundredths. 9 times 5 is 45, and I have tenths times a hundredths, which means I should get an answer in the thousands, or 1, 2, 3, digits behind each decimal, 1, 2, 3. Now, complete the model by filling in the blanks. So all I had to do with this part of the problem was find each of my partial products. That was part A. Part B wants to know how many ounces of pretzels does Mia have in all. So you already did part of the work, so you could simply just add all your partial products together here if you wanted to, or you could work out 5 and 39 hundredths times 2 and 5 tenths using the standard algorithm or the partial products method, whatever works for you. Just don't make a careless mistake, because if you add all your partial products up, you're going to have to make sure you keep your decimals in line. Whatever works for you, works for you. I'm going to go ahead and multiply these out simply because I don't want to make a careless mistake with my addition, especially with tenths, hundredths, and thousandths decimals. So step 1, I'm going to ignore my decimal and multiply as if they are whole numbers. 9 times 5 is 45, regroup my 4. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 4 is 19, regroup my 1. 5 times 5 is 25, plus 1 is 26. I'm done with the 5, so I must put a 0. 2 times 9 is 18, regroup my 1. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7. 2 times 5 is 10. Now, I just add all these together. 17, regroup my 1. 7 plus 7 is 14, regroup my 1. That's 3, bring down my 1. Now I have to count the digits behind the decimals. 1, 2, 3. So my decimals understood to be here. 1, 2, 3. 13 and 475 thousandths, or that's 1 hundredths, and this is 1 tenth, which equals 1 thousandths when I multiply them out. Ounces of pretzels.